Hey guys, AV with you here, and today is week 3 of our YouTube takeover. Right now we're in Sedona, Arizona on our national book tour. If you want to come see us on the West Coast, make sure to check the links in the description for all the tour dates. Today's video is by Meal Prep on Fleek. Nick is going to be making for you 4 awesome chicken pizza recipes. Without further ado, let's get started.
Hey guys, this is Nick with Meal Prep on Fleek, and today we're going to show you how to make 4 types of pizza chicken. We have Veggie Supreme, Cheeseburger, Hawaiian, and Pepperoni. These recipes are super easy. You can do them all in one sheet pan, and there's only a few ingredients. You're going to love them.
Let's start with Hawaiian pizza. This is a great sweet and savory pizza chicken that tastes amazing and only takes a few ingredients. The first thing you're going to want to do is add a little bit of salt and pepper to this chicken. That'll give you a great base of flavor. Next thing you're gonna do is add your favorite barbecue sauce. Anything low sugar is usually pretty good with me. After the barbecue sauce, you'll add some crushed or minced garlic. Garlic is an amazing addition to this dish, and it really stands out as it starts to bake through. Once those are on, go ahead and bake it for 6 to 8 minutes, and then you'll bring it back out and top it with your cheese. Once it's nice and coated in cheese, go ahead and do your onions, bacon, pineapple, and then pop it back in the oven for 6 to 8 minutes. Now it's time to plate. We recommend a protein, a carb, and a veggie. So you could obviously prep this with any of your favorite vegetables, but we chose broccoli because, well, broccoli.
The reason that I got into meal prepping was because I have 4 kids, a wife, 2 dogs, and a full-time job, and I don't have time to make meals every day. Not only that, but meal prepping helps me save my mental space for more important things, like what to do when a teenage daughter is screaming at you. So meal prepping has been a real lifesaver for me, and in the meantime, I ended up losing 6.5% body fat from meal prepping. It's been amazing.
And now for one of my favorites, the cheeseburger pizza chicken. Obviously, the first thing we do is salt and pepper, pop it in the oven, bake for 6 to 8 minutes. Once it's out, you're going to want to use Sir Kensington's special sauce for this. Once that's on, go ahead and pop it in the oven, bake it through for a couple more minutes, bring it out, and add your toppings. First thing going down is cheese, and then the ground beef. Then we'll add some red onions. Look at that. Once it's all the way cooked through, go ahead and add your pickles. All right, next is pepperoni pizza chicken. This is the recipe that really got me thinking about pizza chicken. All right, you're gonna start this one off with your sauce. Once your sauce is down, go ahead and do the first layer of your favorite pizza seasoning. Once that's done, you're gonna bake it off for about 6 to 8 minutes until it starts to color up a little bit, and then you're gonna top it with cheese. Once you have a nice cheesy coating on there, go ahead and put it back in the oven for another 6 to 8 minutes. Now you're ready for the pepperoni. Feel free to be generous here. I love pepperoni, so I loaded it up. Throw a little layer of cheese back on top to hold everything together. Oh, if you could only smell this, it is so good. Now it's time for the Veggie Supreme pizza. This may not sound very good, but the flavors that come out of this are incredible. You're gonna start with salt and pepper, per usual, put a little bit of sauce, and throw it in the oven. Once you bring it out of the oven, you're gonna add some cheese, add your onions, add your toppings. We have mushrooms, olives, and bell peppers. Then you put some tomatoes on top to add a little bit of sweetness to this pizza chicken. And then top it off with some cheese to hold everything together, and back in the oven it goes.
So we hope you like those recipes, guys. If you try them for yourself, let us know how it goes in the comments below. The good, the bad, the ugly, everything. We'll be in there checking them and responding to everybody, and you never know, we might throw in something free for a couple lucky people. Have a good one, guys.
Thanks, Nick. I know the 50 are gonna love these recipes, and guys, if you love meal prep, go check out Meal Prep on Fleek on YouTube and on Instagram. Great meal prep content. I know you guys are gonna love it. And guys, if you want to see us on the road for our book tour, make sure you check the links in the description for all the dates. Till next time, namaste.